Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of home remedies with a topic that touches the lives of many: natural relief for sinusitis, proven home methods. Are you tired of dealing with the pressure and pain that come with sinusitis? Want to discover natural and effective ways to find relief without always resorting to medication? This video is for you. We'll explore proven methods that can be comfortably done at home, bringing not just relief, but also improving your quality of life. Stay with us and discover how these simple techniques can transform your day-to-day. Ready to breathe better and live free from the discomforts of sinusitis? Then, this video is a game changer. Don't miss it. Sinusitis is an inflammation of the sinus cavities, those spaces around the nose, which can be extremely uncomfortable, causing symptoms like headache, facial pressure, nasal congestion, and even fever. There are two main types: acute sinusitis, which is temporary and usually triggered by an infection like a common cold, and chronic, which lasts for more than 3 months, possibly caused by persistent infections, nasal structural problems, or even allergies. Faced with these discomforts, many people seek alternatives to conventional medications, which can have side effects or be less desirable in the long term. Natural relief methods stand out for being accessible, able to be done at home with simple ingredients, and for offering a more holistic approach to health. Moreover, these techniques can complement traditional medical treatments, offering symptom relief in a gentle and effective way, without the dependency on chemical medications. The search for these alternatives reflects a growing interest in more sustainable and body-friendly solutions, highlighting the importance of understanding and treating sinusitis in an integrated and conscious manner. Steam inhalation is one of the most effective home methods for relieving nasal congestion caused by sinusitis. This process works by moistening the nasal passages, helping to loosen and dilute mucus, facilitating its elimination and providing immediate relief from symptoms of pressure and discomfort. Additionally, the heat from the steam can help reduce inflammation in the sinus cavities, promoting a sense of relief in the affected area. To perform steam inhalation safely and effectively, follow these simple steps. Prepare the environment. Choose a comfortable place where you can relax for a few minutes. A sturdy table is ideal. Boil water. Heat a pot of water until it boils. The amount of water can vary, but generally, 1 to 2 liters are sufficient. Transfer the water. Carefully pour the boiling water into a large, heat-resistant bowl. Place it on the table where you are prepared to sit. Add herbs or essential oils. For an additional effect, you can add a few drops of eucalyptus or peppermint essential oil, or even fresh herbs like eucalyptus leaves. These additives have properties that can help open the nasal passages and relieve congestion. Position yourself over the bowl, sit comfortably and lean over the bowl. Maintain a safe distance to avoid burns from the steam. Cover your head and the bowl. Use a large towel to cover your head and the bowl, creating a tent that traps the steam. Breathe deeply. Inhale the steam deeply through your nose, if possible, for 5 to 10 minutes. Take breaks if necessary, especially if you feel too much heat or discomfort. Remember to proceed with caution to avoid burns from the hot steam. Steam inhalation can be done once or twice a day, as needed, and is a simple yet powerful way to relieve sinusitis symptoms at home. Nasal irrigation with saline solution is an effective technique for clearing the nasal passages, helping to remove mucus, allergens, and irritants. This method promotes relief from nasal congestion, facilitates breathing, and can reduce the frequency of sinus infections. Additionally, nasal irrigation helps maintain adequate moisture in the nostrils, essential for the health of the nasal mucosa. To prepare your own saline solution at home, you will need the following ingredients: 1 liter of filtered or distilled water, heated until warm, not hot. 2 to 3 teaspoons of salt, preferably non-iodized or sea salt. 1 teaspoon of baking soda, optional, to neutralize the pH of the solution. Steps for preparing the saline solution. Heat the water. Make sure the water is warm, not hot, to avoid nasal irritation. Mix the ingredients. In a clean container, dissolve the salt and baking soda in the warm water. Mix well until the salt is completely dissolved. Storage: the solution can be stored in a closed container for up to 24 hours. After this period, it is recommended to prepare a new solution to ensure safety and effectiveness. How to use the saline solution for nasal irrigation. Use a nasal irrigation bottle, a needleless syringe, or a neti pot, devices specifically designed for this purpose. Lean over the sink and turn your head to the side. Insert the tip of the device into the upper nostril, allowing the saline solution to flow through the nasal cavity and out the other nostril. Repeat the process in the other nostril. After finishing, gently blow your nose to remove excess solution and mucus. Nasal irrigation with saline solution can be performed daily or as needed, offering natural and effective relief for sinusitis symptoms. Warm compresses are a simple and effective solution for relieving pain and inflammation associated with sinusitis. The heat applied to the affected area helps increase blood circulation, promoting an immediate sense of relief from pressure and discomfort in the sinus cavities. Additionally, the heat can help dilute mucus, facilitating its drainage and improving breathing. To prepare and apply warm compresses, follow these instructions. Prepare the compress. You can use a small towel, a clean cloth, or even a fabric bag filled with rice or seeds, which can be heated. Heat the compress. Lightly moisten the towel or cloth with water and heat it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. If using a rice or seed bag, follow the same procedure without moistening. Ensure the compress is warm, but not to the point of burning the skin. Test the temperature. Before applying the compress to your face, test the temperature on the inside of your wrist to ensure it's bearable and won't cause burns. Application: lie down comfortably and apply the warm compress over the sinus areas, that is, on the forehead and cheeks, avoiding the eye area. Keep the compress for about 10 to 15 minutes. Repeat if necessary. You can repeat the process several times a day, especially if you experience significant relief from symptoms. Warm compresses are a safe and natural way to complement other treatments for sinusitis, offering comfort and relief for the most bothersome symptoms of this condition. It's important to remember that, while warm compresses are effective for relieving pain and inflammation, they should be part of a more comprehensive treatment, especially in cases of chronic or recurrent sinusitis. Hydration plays a crucial role in relieving sinusitis symptoms, as it helps dilute mucus, facilitating its drainage and reducing pressure and discomfort in the sinus cavities. Staying properly hydrated is essential for the proper functioning of the respiratory system, as a well-hydrated body produces more fluid mucus, which decreases the likelihood of nasal obstruction and subsequent infections. Here are some tips for maintaining good hydration. Amount of water. The recommended amount of water varies according to the individual, but a general rule is to drink at least 8 glasses, about 2 liters of water per day. This amount may increase depending on the climate, level of physical activity, and the presence of certain health conditions. Other sources of hydration: in addition to water, you can obtain hydration through water-rich fruits like watermelon, orange, and cucumber, and beverages like herbal teas and coconut water. These are excellent options for keeping the body hydrated and offering variety. Avoid dehydrants. Beverages like coffee, black tea, and alcohol can have a diuretic effect, leading to dehydration. While they can be consumed in moderation, it's important to compensate for their diuretic effect by drinking more water. Pay attention to signs of dehydration. Excessive thirst, dark urine, dry mouth, and fatigue are signs that your body needs more fluids. Respond promptly to these signs by increasing your fluid intake. Maintaining adequate hydration is a simple yet effective strategy for relieving sinusitis symptoms and promoting overall health. In addition to helping dilute mucus, proper hydration supports the functioning of the entire body, including the immune system, which is vital for fighting infections and keeping the respiratory tract healthy. Essential oils have proven to be a valuable tool in relieving sinusitis symptoms, thanks to their anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and decongestant properties. Among the most effective for combating sinusitis are eucalyptus and peppermint oil. Selection of oils. Eucalyptus. Known for its expectorant properties, eucalyptus oil helps open the respiratory passages and facilitate breathing. Peppermint. This oil is valued for its ability to relieve headaches and congestion, being an ally against sinus pressure. Safe use of essential oils. Diffusers. One of the safest and most effective ways to use essential oils is through a diffuser. Add a few drops of your chosen essential oil to the diffuser with water, following the device's instructions, and let the aromatic mist fill the room. This will help clear the respiratory passages and promote a sense of relief. Direct inhalation. Another effective way is to apply 1 to 2 drops of essential oil on a handkerchief or in the palm of your hand, rub your hands lightly, and create a tent over your nose and mouth with your hands, breathing deeply. This technique can be particularly useful for quick relief from congestion. Steam bath. Add a few drops of essential oil to a bowl of hot water, cover your head and the bowl with a towel, and inhale the steam. This approach helps humidify the nasal passages and loosen mucus. Precautions. Always dilute essential oils in a carrier oil, such as coconut or almond oil, before applying them directly to the skin to avoid irritation. Perform an allergy test by applying a small amount of the diluted oil to the skin and wait 24 hours to check for any adverse reaction. Consult a healthcare professional before using essential oils, especially if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or treating small children. Essential oils offer a natural and aromatic approach to relieving sinusitis symptoms, promoting well-being and respiratory comfort. When seeking relief for sinusitis through home methods, it's crucial to be aware of certain precautions and understand the limitations of these approaches. While natural remedies can offer significant relief from symptoms, they do not replace professional medical guidance and treatment, especially in cases of chronic sinusitis or serious complications. Care and warnings. Persistent or worsening symptoms. If sinusitis symptoms persist for more than 10 days without improvement, or if you experience symptoms like high fever, severe headache, swelling around the eyes, or difficulty breathing, it's imperative to seek medical attention immediately. These may be signs of a more serious infection that requires specialized treatment. Pre-existing conditions. People with pre-existing health conditions, such as asthma or severe allergies, should consult a doctor before attempting any home remedy. The interaction between different treatments can have adverse effects on health. Limitations of home methods. Temporary relief. While home methods like hydration, steam inhalation, and the use of essential oils can temporarily relieve sinusitis symptoms, they do not address the underlying cause of the condition. Medical treatments, such as antibiotics or surgery, may be necessary for cases of bacterial infections or physical obstructions in the nasal passages. Individual variation. It's important to remember that the effectiveness of home remedies can vary from person to person. What works for one individual may not be effective for another, depending on the specific cause of sinusitis and individual health factors. In summary, while home methods for sinusitis relief can be helpful and provide comfort, they should be seen as complementary to proper medical diagnosis and treatment. Health should always be treated with care, and the guidance of healthcare professionals is essential to ensure the correct and effective treatment of sinusitis. We've come to the end of our video on natural relief for sinusitis, proven home methods. Today, we explored various strategies for relieving sinusitis symptoms naturally, including steam inhalation, nasal irrigation with saline solution, applying warm compresses, maintaining good hydration, and the use of essential oils like eucalyptus and peppermint. Each of these methods offers a way to relieve the bothersome symptoms of sinusitis, allowing you to breathe more easily and feel better. Now, we'd like to hear from you. Share in the comments below your experiences with these home methods. Is there one that worked particularly well for you? Or maybe you have other tips and tricks to share with our community. Your participation is very important to us. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos. If you found this video helpful, share it with friends and family who might also benefit from these tips. We greatly appreciate your attention and time with us today. We wish you health and well-being. Take care and see you in the next video.